911, what is the address of the emergency?
911, what is the address of the emergency?
I don't know the address. It's Mills Pond Park off Power Line.
Okay, and just confirm that name of the park again for me, sir.
Mills Point.
What's the phone number you're calling from, sir?
Let me ask you a question. Is it a law where somebody can carry M16 rifle or AR-15 in the park?
If somebody is allowed to carry a weapon while in the park?
Yes.
Unfortunately, I'm unable to answer that question for you. That's a question you would have to ask an officer. Would you like for me to enter a call for dispatch for an officer to contact you?
Yes.
Okay, and just verify your phone number for me one more time. Okay, and what's your name? Okay, and tell me exactly what happened.
I'm here sitting in my car right by the canal side, and here's a guy with an AR-15 strapped across his shoulder.
Okay, is the guy white, black, Hispanic?
He looked to be mixed race. I couldn't say he's Hispanic.
Can you give me clothing description for him? What color clothes is he wearing?
He's wearing like I don't know, it's not white, but it's like a half white. He has a GoPro camera over his shoulder, and he has on a white shorts as well, whitish color shorts. There's another guy with him in a yellow top and a blue jeans. The black guy has on a yellow top and a blue jeans. He looked to be carrying a weapon too in his waist.
What kind of weapon is he carrying?
I don't know. I see he put his hand to his waist and pull up.
Okay. But just to confirm, they're not pointing the weapons at anybody. They're just walking in the park with it?
Right.
Okay. Would you like to meet with an officer or for an officer to contact you?
He can contact me, but I would like to be upfront with him because I don't know what's going on.
No problem. What type of vehicle are you in?
A Toyota Camry.
What color is your Toyota Camry, sir?
Brown.
And confirming that you said you're at Mills Pond Park and you're by the canal area or the lake?
Yes.
Okay. I'm going to enter a call for dispatch. We're going to send somebody out there, okay?
All right. Thank you.
You're very welcome, sir. You have a good one and you stay safe, okay?
Okay. You too.
Thank you, sir. Stay safe.
Hi, for Top First Signal 22, Signal 0 possibly involved.
For it.
Hi, for 10-4. Soon at Mills Pond, there's a male fellow sitting inside of his car. He's not threatening anybody, but he actually has a signal 0 in his waistband. Out Mills Pond Park, he's going to make contact with us. Again, the person who's sitting in his car, he's not making threats to anybody. He's going to be a mixed-race male wearing an off-color white shirt on with a pair of white shorts. And he says in the park with a signal 0 with AR-15 that's strapped around his shoulder. There's a second subject that's a black male that's wearing a yellow top, blue jeans, and the signal 0 is actually going to be his waistband. The complainant actually should be driving a brown Toyota Camry. Again, they're not threatening anybody. They're concerned because of other signal 0s in the park as well. And they're now going to be by the lake area. No further. Here's that machine.
Oh, for I'll be not.
Power for 10-4.
12-5, you show me love.
10-4, 10-50, on file for you. 1,500 hours. 1,400, excuse me. 5-4-8.
Charlie 4-8.
For yourself and for Delia that are around to Mills Pond, the report is it's going to be waiting for you at the gate on the east side, he said.
26, thank you.
1404.
Bravo 4-8, that's my first 97.
97. And let me know if you guys want the air. If you can't find the report, let me know. I'll call back again and have them flag you guys down.
10-4. We're going to be 25 at the car now.
That's 10-4. Just advise on the air.
You can keep it clear for now, thank you.
That's 10-4. 1407. Bravo 48 on 10-4.
10-4.
10-4. 54 TP. Bravo 48 on 10-4.
10-4.
1417.
Bravo 4-8.
For Bravo 48, go ahead.
We're going to be 25 with one of the males now, so you can keep the air clear.
10-4. Bravo 48 on 10-4.
10-4, you can catch the truck, thank you.
10-4. 1422.
Bravo 4-8.
48, go ahead.
Cabinet's updated, 98 Bravo. And for Unit 14, he's going to be out at the pond fishing, and he has a GoPro recording of his chest.